Hi there, this is Taylor of Rejuve Medical Fitness, and today I'm taking you through a Tabata routine that is martial arts inspired. So remember that Tabata is 20 seconds of max intensity effort, followed by 10 seconds of rest. We're going to do 8 rounds of that, totaling about 4 minutes. So let's go through the techniques where I will show you the different modifications based on your skill and fitness level. So to start off with the first technique, we're going to do a knee strike. The easiest way to do this is going to be to have right foot in front, left foot in behind, right hand on the wall or a chair. You're basically going to just drive your left knee up and then step all the way back. 1, 2, 1, 2. For a little bit more difficult than that, you can reach that hand up and bring the hand and the knee together, working a bit of more coordination. For a little bit more difficult than that, you're going to step away from the wall, bring both hands up, and bring the hands to the knee, working that one side constantly. And if you would like something a little more challenging, once again, you can step really far back into more of a lunge, reaching the hands up high, drive the knee up, step really far back. A lot more difficult here. And if you'd like to make this a little more interesting in a way, you could grab a pillow or something soft and you could add that pillow and strike into it every time as well, if you'd like a little bit more feedback with this exercise. Great. For the second technique, we're going to be doing some punching. So very simple to start with. We have our hands up in that punching position, and we're just going to fire off some punches, one over top of the other, as quickly as you can. And these are full extensions with these punches, so not little small ones. Try your best to really extend the punches out, going as quickly as you can, knuckles pointing up. If you want something a little bit more difficult, I would recommend walking the feet at the same time, side to side. And once again, a little more difficult, you're going to punch and step to the side, alternating. And for much more difficult, you are going to run quickly on the spot, punching as quickly as you can. And if you'd like to incorporate some equipment, you can take your bands if you have some, loop them behind the shoulders, create a bunch of tension on the bands, and then you're punching against that resistance, getting the feet moving. This is quite a bit more difficult as well. Okay, so pick whatever version of those exercises you would like to do, and let's get right into it. So we're going to start with those knee strikes. We're going to do just one side, so 1 foot in front, 1 foot in behind. Here we go, 20 seconds, 3, 2, 1, here we go. As quickly as you can. Working on speed, breathing out with every rep. Nice, there you go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk it out. Keep yourself moving. 10 seconds of rest. The next round that we do, we will be on the other side. So now you can switch your stance. Other foot in front. Ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go. As quickly as you can. Driving the knee up high. Nicely done. Keep it going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Great second round. Keep yourself moving. We're going to go back to the first side again. Okay, setting up. Here we go. Hands up high. Foot is back. Ready, set, and go. Right into full speed again. And remember, this is going to look different for everyone, so go to your max speed. Nice, there you go. Keep pushing. Do the best you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Okay, for this last round, I'm going to use the pillow. This is going to be the last one for the knee strike, and then we're going to switch to the punches. Other foot in front. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. A little bit more exciting being able to hit something with those knee strikes. Breathe out with every strike, keeping the speed up, trying not to slow down. Remember to breathe. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Perfect. Okay, we're halfway through. We're gonna move on to the punching now. So setting your hands up, punching position. Ready, 3, 2, 1, here we go, punching. And remember, you can walk the feet to the sides, you can step quickly, or you can run. There we go, looking awesome. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Releasing the arms. Remember to keep breathing, especially during these rest rounds. Keep yourself moving. And round 2 of this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Back to full speed. As many as you got. Fully extending those punches as much as you can. Nice. Great focus. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. So remember, these are 20-second rounds, but maybe plus or minus a few seconds. Just push yourself as much as you can. Should feel very tired by the end of the round. Here we go, round 3. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Keep feet moving, fully extending those punches. Keep the body up tall, try not to hunch over. As quickly as you can for yourself. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. You can shake out the arms as well. I'm going to use the band for the last round here. Ready, here we go. This is your last one. Pushing yourself. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Full punches. Arms should be getting a little tired. Punch through though. Keep feet moving. Keep breathing. Nicely done, you're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome, there we go. So, should feel quite tired by the end of that. You're gonna keep yourself moving, of course. I'd recommend you go through a dynamic cool down for a few minutes, which I can link at the end of this video. All right, thank you for joining me for that exciting Tabata routine. Hopefully it was a good challenge for your arms and your hips. And if you did do it correctly, you should feel quite out of breath and tired by the end of it. If you are looking for a customized workout program that takes into account your injuries, health conditions, your equipment, and schedule, please check out my website or give me a call. You can get the info right over here. Thanks again for joining me. Looking forward to seeing you again for another video soon.